The calendar feed integration allows your next actions in OnePageCRM to be automatically pushed to your Google, Outlook or Apple calendar. To first set up the integration, go to your user profile, Apps and Integrations. From here, find the Calendar Feed app in the Utilities section and click Install. Now all you need to do is simply copy the calendar address provided and paste it into your calendar of choice. For Google Calendar, locate the Other Calendars section and click the plus icon. Select From URL, paste the copied calendar address and add your OnePageCRM calendar. If using Outlook, find the Add section from the menu and then select From Internet. Paste your code here and click OK. You can now start pushing next actions to your calendar. While on a contacts page, simply hover over the next action area. If adding to Google, select GCal, where you'll be brought to a new calendar event page. The contact's name, next action date, address and other details will be pre-populated. If you select the Outlook option, a calendar link will be downloaded to your device. Simply click it to open up the calendar event page, where you can further customize before saving. And just a final note, if an action is set to ASAP or waiting, the calendar event will be set to the next 30-minute time slot after the time of the push, while the next action with time will be synced accordingly.